Hi, Doc Mountain here, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can actually withdraw from Satoshi, the OEX that you have been mining for a year now, to your OEX wallet. So what you do is this: you head on to OEX. So here it is. This is the one which is here. Let's hope you've done all the settings and you did all the missions and you're done. So what you do is you click OEX, and thereafter, come on OEX, it's loading. Okay, so when you get here, what you do is you punch in sign in. You punch in your pin, which you had set. Then click done. So what you need to know is whatever you're going to withdraw from Satoshi, which is OEX, is sitting on the core net. So you need to click in the top right corner where it reads long test net. Then you click core mainnet. Beautiful. So now when you are here, you're going to click where there is that alpha symbol where it reads OEX core, and then you click receive. Okay, so now when you get here, you need to click there where there is the copy icon just right below that. Boom. Then from here you quickly head on to Satoshi. Come on, Satoshi. Okay, beautiful. So for now, you'll be very surprised to see that OEX has actually disappeared. What you need to do is to click the wallet icon, which is just right below where time is ticking down there. Airdrop time. Now that wallet icon there. Come on, Satoshi. Okay, beautiful. So now what we want to withdraw is OEX. So go wait. So right now I have 836. Now at the far right there is an arrow. So you click there. As it's loading, then you click withdraw. At the moment you click withdraw, it will bring this link withdraw address. So click it, then paste the address there. After pasting the address, punch in the asset password which you had set up. Okay, so now you can hit OEX link withdraw address. Then you confirm. Oh shit. Okay, so now you quickly head on to your email address, your email inbox rather. The one you had registered with Satoshi. Come on. Beautiful. So hey, you quickly copy that code and then you head back to Satoshi, then paste it before time ticks down. Don't be too slow. Come on. And then you click OEX link. Good. So now it will bring you here where you need to do the verifications. So you simply tap start verifications. Come on, Satoshi. Okay, so now when you pass the verification, you'll see this notification that verification is actually going on. It won't be that easy for you. Okay, so it will bring you back here. So don't you worry, click it again. Confirm. And then you will receive a notification that OEX withdrawal address link is successfully submitted.